Welcome to Drone 1. My name is David Treusch. I've been teaching here at General McLean for 21 years. I teach physics and some math. Now I'm trying to get this new drone program off the ground. I have my FAA drone pilot license, which is required to be able to teach this course. And in this course, I plan on looking at drone safety, battery chargers and connectors. We'll deal with that, the safety with the battery and battery care, design and documentation, drone overview and flight basics, common sense flying, fundamentals of flight, FAA regulations, beginning flight skills, transmitters and receivers, propellers, and drone maintenance. We're going to use this Smina drone and this manual controller, so the students will get a feel of what it's like to actually fly the drone. We plan on flying hopefully once or twice a week. Also, this course will not prepare students to sit and take the FAA pilot license exam, but it will prepare them to be able to take the course, and it'll help them in that way. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can find me at davidtreusch@generalmcclain.org. Thanks and have a good day.